Hello there, thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony and I'm here to take you through Lindon Marina and RV Park here in what is this? I don't even know where I am. No, I think it's Vineland or Vineyard, Utah, which is between Provo and Salt Lake City. It is a beautiful area and I want to show you some of this in this video, and also tell you a little bit about this park here, which that is their check-in area that you see right there. And so everybody checks in here. They got 24-hour security service here, but it is a marina primarily, and I want to show you some of that and what this has got. And you just might want to stay here because we looked at this place and said, you know what, we got here for 2 nights, maybe we'll just do 3 nights while we're here. But anyway, come on with us because you just entered the Coolest Life RV Park Review Edition. So as I mentioned, that's the way in. We actually came down through a warehouse area this way here, but there's residential areas over this direction. So if you come from the south, it's not that big of a deal, but check out this place. There are definitely worse RV parks. I mean, this is, they've got some housekeeping I think they need to do with boats like that one there, out here in the middle of nowhere, and that one there's, I don't know how long that's been there, because they've actually got boat storage at the other end, which I'll show you. You can see the marina area here. We'll get you a little close up to that so you can check it out. And this is not a real big park. There's only maybe 40 spots is all. There is a bathhouse and all. I may try and take you through that one there. And we're gonna take a drive down there and take a look there. But there's a big circle here is what this is, and everybody just kind of backs up to the trees. I'm actually right here underneath this weeping willow. I'm the second one in there. But let me show you some more about this park. Something I like about it, you can hear a train every now and then. We had a train come by about 7:30. Didn't like that. But other than that, you can't hear the interstate from here, which is really cool because there is a massive interstate going through Provo. I forget what road it is, 90 I think, but it's a big one. So it's going through Provo and Salt Lake City. But I think that's all I got to tell you about that. And the back of the park is boat storage, like lots of storage. Some of these pieces look like they've been here a few years, like that one. And there's also locked boat storage. Of course, you have to go past the guard to get in this place. So it's pretty secured, whether it's inside the fence or outside the fence. They definitely have a lot of boats. And I wanted to show you this one here. Whoa, that's a houseboat with a slide on the back. It looks like it's been here at least a year or 2 or 3. But there are some RV sites here. The thing about those is they sure park them in close, that's for sure. They do have a nice little pond with a big fountain, aerating fountain in here, but gosh, they should really do something about this stuff. I mean, this is actually their property too, for storage. They rent out area for storage, but they can put a fence up where you don't have to look at it while you're trying to enjoy the pond. And here's another view of the people staying here on this side. Looks like they got someone, the only trailer that's out here, that's probably either the owner or, I don't know, maybe it's a VRBO. The spots aren't too bad. This is actually for a short. I don't think I can get mine in there. So if you got like a Class C or something, it would definitely fit in here, or a small travel trailer like that one. That would probably work. But then there's the basic circle. This is where we're at. They've got a dock area here, and oh, look, restrooms. I don't know if we're going there. They probably got a key, bathroom closed, use to flush, toilet, east of store. Okay, so nice little area here. I mean, this is kind of just different as far as RV parks go. Most RV parks are not at marinas. I'm thinking about whether I want to walk out here, because I think where I'm walking is they like to walk their dogs out here. But you can see the marina is boat docks, and you can actually go this way here, right before this stretch here, and take your boat out that way. First I looked at this, I was like, how in the world they get these boats out of here? but that's it. So no, this marina here, there's no pickleball here. There's no basketball. There's no big kids playground. There's no skiing here. There's no UTV rentals. But man, what a view. I mean, it's just keeps going and going and going. And here's the marina, and here's the big mountain behind us. Yeah, it's like that. So different from most RV parks that you've seen before. Definitely recommend going to this place. Water pressure is good. I think they got 90 PSI coming through the system, and I got mine regulated back to 60. I got other videos that talk to you about PSIs and stuff like that as far as what you need for your RV to function properly. Yeah, cool place. So they do have a beach type area here that you could come down and sit on the water. Of course, this is, you're sitting on the water in this, but there's definitely worse beaches. At least there is some sand here. I've been to some beaches that like this, it's nothing but small rock pebbles. One comes to mind, Pulaski, New York, but it's on Lake Ontario, and it's got, but looks like they either rent these, or maybe if you stay here you can get those for free, but I don't know. I'm gonna go check them out. I don't know if that little building there is even open, but it's just a beautiful view. You can hear an airplane running through here, and there's also, you get some manufacturing noise from the backside. Now there is a 14-day limit as far as staying here. You can't be here a month at a time. You've also can only be here 14 days in a 30-day period, so you can't just automatically renew for another 14 days or be out for one day and come back. So I like that. I think it really helps keep the RV park a little cleaner and safer, because you don't have full-timers in here all the time, especially since you've got a full-time security guard. You really don't need full-timers in here helping you police the areas. But and also a park this size, I mean, it's not a massively large park. So but I will say the views make up for any of the negatives. The views really make up for it. In fact, I can hear a train back here behind me now. But to just stay here for a couple of days, yeah, this is great. Would we be back? I don't have a problem coming back here, not at all. Especially as close proximity as it is to Provo and Salt Lake City. In fact, we're going to drive out to the salt flats today. Check out that other video. But yeah, I don't have a problem coming back out here. Really like it. It's a beautiful place. It's got a lot of good things going for it. I'll tell you that. It could use some TLC on some different areas, but hey, that's just me. So, but I'll let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you're interested in coming out to this park, come on out. I'd recommend it. Don't have any issues with it here. Wi-Fi is good. They got free Wi-Fi, and also you can get 29 channels of Air TV. So I'm liking that. And of course, if you got a Starlink, you can get one of these spots that you can get a clear view from the sky. Anyway, I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because I need to get back out here living the coolest life. RV Park Review Edition.